First, we have the Jordan Airship Awake collab. It's the second pair, which is the blue, not the red. Got some stickers, a nice Airship Awake book, and we got the paper. The paper looks real good. This is actually my first time unboxing these and seeing them in person. They look really, really good. So we have a nice premium off-white leather. We have an aged midsole. We have a silver swoosh with blue backing. We also have blue snakeskin on the collar. And we have Awake New York on the heel. These look really good. So these are actually in stock on Nike.com right now. And I think Awake might have a few pairs in stock as well, but clean, simple pair of airships, nothing really crazy here. I do like that Awake A embroidery on the side. Looks really good.